Students, can you see? I have lighted one agarbatti. Agarbatti, all of you know. So I have lighted an agarbatti, which is a solid. Slowly it is turning into gas. I think all of you can see the gas coming out. So this is a type of sublimation. Then again, I'll show you. I have taken this tortoise coil. Okay, this tortoise coil, can you see? Which you use at home to throw away the mosquitoes from your house. This is also a solid. So it is turning into gas slowly. Okay, this is also another form of sublimation. Then here you can see I have taken up naphthalene. You know naphthalene balls, I think? So this is naphthalene. So if you keep it out in the open, slowly, okay, within a day or two, it will become smaller. Okay, so what happens? You see this size of the naphthalene ball, it is quite big, but this has become smaller. This one I had put it up outside for a few days and it has become smaller. So where does the particles go? Actually, due to the heat from the air, slowly the particles of naphthalene turns into gas and it has become smaller. Similarly, you also use this odonil. You use the odonil at home. Okay, so this also gives a beautiful smell in your room or bathroom. Slowly it will vanish. You know, within a week or so it vanishes. So what happens actually? Same, it slowly turns into vapor. And when it turns into vapor, it gives a fresh smell to your bathroom. So I hope you understand what is sublimation. The experiment with ammonium chloride we will do when the school opens. It is there in your book. You will draw the diagram in your book. Thank you.